Hello and welcome to LearnCity. Today we are going to talk about a profession that's becoming more and more important in the business world, the business analyst. We'll explain who they are, what they do, and their roles and responsibilities. So let's get started. First of all, who is a business analyst? In short, a business analyst is a professional who analyzes an organization or business domain and documents its business or processes, assessing the business model or its integration with technology. Business analysts have strong analytical and problem-solving skills, and they use a variety of methods and tools to gather and analyze data, identify trends, and make recommendations to improve processes, products, and services. Business analysts usually work closely with other professionals such as project managers, developers, and stakeholders to ensure that the project's goals and objectives are met. So, what does a business analyst do exactly? Well, their main responsibilities include: number one, gathering and analyzing data and information about a business domain or process. Number two, defining business requirements and specification. Number three, identifying opportunities for process improvements or new products or services. Number four, facilitating communication and collaboration between different teams and stakeholders. Number five, ensuring that projects meet business objectives and are completed on time and within budgets. Additionally, business analysts may also be responsible for writing reports, creating presentations, and delivering trainings to stakeholders and end users. Now, let's talk about the different roles and responsibility of a business analyst. Depending on the company or projects, business analysts may have different roles and responsibilities, such as: number one, a business analyst, such as functional business analysts, who is responsible for gathering and analyzing business requirements and ensuring that they are met in the final product or service. Number two, technical business analyst, who is responsible for ensuring that the technical design and development of a product or service meets business requirements. Number three, business systems analyst, who is responsible for analyzing and improving the organization's technology systems to enhance business processes and productivity. Number four, data analyst, who is responsible for gathering, analyzing, and interpreting data to provide insights and recommendations for business improvements. As you can see, business analysts have many different roles and responsibilities, and their work can have a significant impact on a company's success. So, if you are interested in a career in business analysis, make sure to develop your analytical and problem-solving skills, as well as your communication and collaboration skills. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.